Vestal Manufacturing's packaging equipment makes your shipping processes much more efficient and convenient. Our Stretchrt Machine is great for any shipment that needs plastic or stretch wrapped. It has a ramp for easy pallet truck use, a stretch wrap dispenser with a friction brake assembly, and a foot pedal operated carousel. Vestal also offers a number of strapping accessories, including our strapping cart, which allows you to easily move and dispense your strapping. Vestal's semi-automatic pallet strapping machine allows you to easily strap boxes or other product to pallets. This product rides on casters for great maneuverability and portability. Vestal's high-speed strapping machine allows you to strap boxes or products in seconds with total control of the strapping tension. This unit rides on casters too for great maneuverability and portability. Please visit Vestal.com to download our catalog or browse through our other packaging equipment. We're Vestal Manufacturing. We've got it.